All right, it's Wednesday already. Rhyme recognition. I'll say 3 words. You tell me the 2 that rhyme. File, pile, push. File, pile. We, he, so. We, he. Bank, lift, tank. Bank, tank. Show, no, come. Show, no. Side, sick, ride. Side, ride. Reach, teach, ring. Reach, teach. Fry, sky, me. Fry, sky. Good. Onset fluency. I'll say 3 words. You tell me what they all start with. Even, eating, east. You would say E. Sister, song, solo. S. Dish, dimple, diver. D. Gold, good, gallop. G. Happy, hello, help. Ha. Very good. Okay, we're going to blend our phonemes. I think I'm going to do this with you today because when we're blending, we're going to have 3 parts. We're blending each phoneme. Y, s. Yes. N, I, s. Nice. F, eat. Feet. Y, ack. Yak. F, ace. Face. T, I, time. J, ob. Job. All right. Isolating final sounds. This is the one where if they do sound the same at the ending, you give me a thumbs up. If they don't sound the same at the ending, give me a thumbs down. Age, huge. Yep, J. Find, bread. D. Card, loud. D. Ham, sand. It's a tricky one. Love, give. V. Segmenting we're going to do together because we are going to chop it into 3 parts. Okay? Make, you say make, and then we're going to go a, k. Okay? We'll do these together today. Luck, o, a, k. Mop, a, p. Big, b, ig. Fed, ed, man, an, cone, k, o, All right. Adding initial sounds. We're going to start with R, add f to the beginning, and the word is are, far. Start with N, add W to the beginning, and the word is win. Start with up, add P to the beginning, and the word is pup. Start with all, add H to the beginning, and the word is hall. Start with each, add T to the beginning, and the word is teach. Start with eel, add p to the beginning, and the word is peel. Good. Now we're going to take away, delete the initial phoneme. We have the word moat without What's left? Oat. We have the word take without t. What's left? Ache. We have the word sit without s. What's left? It. We have the word tar without t. What's left? R. We have the word pout without p. What's left? Out. We have the word cup without k. What's left? Up. Okay, we're going to substitute phonemes. We have the word deep. Change d to k, and the word is k. Eep, keep. We have the word pine. Change p to n, and the word is nine. We have the word roam. Change to d, and the word is dome. We have the word dash. Change d to ul, and the word is lash. We have the word rain. Change to v, and the word is vain. We have the word tense. Change t to s, and the word is sense. Good. Okay, twinkle, twinkle, little star. This is an easy one. I'm just going to say it all, and then you can say it all. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Okay, and you go ahead and try to say it. Okay, great job. I'll see you tomorrow.